Tawanda and Chipo's love is challenged by Mary's traditional views and her initial disapproval of Chipo. The story navigates the conflicts between modernity and Shona tradition, and the journey of acceptance and understanding. In the heart of the Shona lands, under the warm African sun, lived Tawanda and Chipo. Their love story was one of strength, tradition, and the pursuit of true happiness. But their path was not without challenges, especially from Tawanda's mother, Mary. The first meeting. Excitement filled the air as Tawanda introduced Chipo to his mother, Mary. But the meeting was met with skepticism, as Mary's eyes held the weight of tradition and doubt. Mary said, "Tawanda, tradition is our strength. Chipo, do you honor the ways of our ancestors?" Chipo respectfully replied, "I honor our heritage, mother, but I also believe in the strength of love and unity." The family gathering. The family gathered under the starlit sky, sharing stories and songs of their ancestors. Yet, the tension between Mary and Chipo was palpable, a silent challenge in the air. Mary said to Tawanda, "Your choice must honor our family. Chipo must prove her commitment to our ways." Tawanda replied, "Mother, love can bridge the gap between tradition and the future." The test of tradition. Determined to prove her love and respect for tradition, Chipo embraced the challenge. She participated in a sacred ceremony, her heart beating with hope and determination. The confrontation. Despite her efforts, Chipo faced Mary's unwavering skepticism. An intense conversation unfolded, emotions clashing like a storm over the savannah. Mary said, "You must understand, Chipo, tradition is the foundation of our lives. Can you truly embrace it?" Chipo, with tears, replied, "I love Tawanda with all my heart, and I respect our traditions. But love must also lead us forward." Seeking guidance. Seeking wisdom, Tawanda and Chipo turned to Elder Kuda. Under the ancient baobab tree, they found solace and guidance. Elder Kuda said, "Love and tradition must walk hand in hand. Only through understanding and respect can you find true harmony." Tawanda said, "Elder, we seek your blessing to unite our love with our heritage." Elder Kuda said, "Chipo, your spirit must align with our ancestors. Show us your devotion." Chipo responded, "I will honor the past and cherish the future with Tawanda by my side." The realization. Mary watched Chipo's genuine efforts, her heart slowly softening. She realized that Chipo's love for Tawanda was as strong as her respect for their traditions. Mary softly said, "Perhaps love can indeed bridge the gap between the old and the new." The blessing. With a heart full of newfound understanding, Mary blessed Tawanda and Chipo. The village erupted in celebration, their love story now a symbol of unity and hope. Mary said, "May your love honor our ancestors and light the path to the future." Chipo tearfully replied, "Thank you, Mother. We will cherish this blessing and honor our traditions together." The joyous union. And so, under the bright African sky, Tawanda and Chipo's love was celebrated in a grand wedding. Their journey, a testament to the power of love, respect, and understanding, resonated through the savannah. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe to our channel for more tales of love, tradition, and the enduring spirit of the Shona people.